this here is a log inspection station. Now the big logging trucks come in there, and there's guys that crawl up on top there and do things to it. And over here, we have logs. Isn't that cool? Yeah, so during the week, I mean, yeah, you got logging trucks come in here, and like I say, they load them on the trucks, go over here across the street, and like I say, I really don't know what they do. They look at it maybe and decide the quality or whatever. But I thought that's pretty interesting myself. Just out here looking and seeing, and showing you guys. How about that? Big operation, it looks like, over here. There's the name of it, Murphy, in Elma, Washington. Have a fine day. Hey, where do you think the boards come from? Walmart?